Hey, what's up guys, how is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime we upload a new video you will be notified. So literally people have been searching around how they can actually rank a derank Fiverr account again, and in this video I'm going to share with you what I actually noticed about these questions and what might be the solution to it. And literally I have also been in this issue before, and then I'm gonna share with you what I did and how I did it. And there are different kind of reasons why your gig can actually be deranked, or why your Fiverr account can be deranked on Fiverr, whereby your gig will be seen on the last page, or your gig might not even be able to see the light of the Fiverr search again, and people will not be able to figure out or see your gig on the search again. So the only method you can actually get order on that particular account is when you have a returning buyer messaging you to like to buy your service again. That's the only time you can actually make sales again on that particular Fiverr account. Aside from that, you will not be able to get any sale, and it's called dead account because there is nothing that will come through the account again. And what used to cause this deranking stuff is probably you are not online, you don't used to come online often, and Fiverr really appreciate that because they want someone that are very interested in doing business and they really mean business, because both parties will definitely benefit from that. So you make money and Fiverr itself will definitely make money from you. So aside from that, getting bad rating, bad review from seller will also spoil your account. So these are the things that used to spoil account. And also if you get sales, or if you deliver order on a late delivery, this also causes the ranking. So because Fiverr will believe that you don't mean a business, you are not really interested, so it's like they are forcing you to do some job. So if you do a late delivery, the buyer will not be able to will not be satisfied with what you deliver, even though they might use what you delivered, but they will not be happy at the end because they did not get delivery as at when they actually need it. So these are the things that can actually cause deranking on Fiverr gig. So but how could you, if your gig is actually deranked, how could you bring it back to life, like so that people can actually find their gig again? So I also write a blog post about that particular topics on my blog. So what I actually think is this: that if you discovered the method or what you actually did that makes Fiverr derank your gig, that will be the right way for you to run that particular gig again. Probably you notice that you have a lot of cancellation of orders and your gig got derank. The only way to rank that gig again is to get order again of that order that you cancel in multiple of 3. Let's say for instance you cancel an order of like $200. After you cancel the order, you have to, and your gig is derank, you have to get like $200 order times 3. That's the only way you can actually rank that particular account again. And this method doesn't apply to all the niches. There are some all the method for ranking again. If your gig was deranked through you are not online, through not being online often, the only way to get to rank that particular gig again is to come online and also try to get sales as soon as possible. That's the only way you can actually rank your gig again without this particular method. So if you want to rank your derank account again, so you just have to just put all these things in place so that you can be able to make your account fall back to Fiverr search and you'll be able to make sales. So you need to try as much as possible to stay online often and often. This really matters a lot to Fiverr. So aside from that, try to get your sales as soon as possible. Try to promote your gig on social media platform. You can use Quora, you can use Facebook, you can use IG as well. And make sure, and also know that you are not only promoting your gig alone, you're also promoting Fiverr itself, because buyers that purchase your gig will definitely buy other gigs, other service in the long run. They are not going to purchase only your service only. So the more service they purchase, because you actually invite this client, this buyer to Fiverr, so Fiverr is going to appreciate you and also rank your own gig to be able to make more sales too. So these are the things you actually need to look into, and to make sure your gig maintain on the first page or maintain the ranking features on Fiverr. So this is what you actually need to do. And if your gig was derank, it might also take time. I know, I understand. It might also take time, because I also have accounts that I got deranked some months ago, going to 2 months now. And there is still one. I actually canceled 3 orders on that particular account, and on these 3 orders, I cannot replace. I cannot replace like 9 orders, so I have to wait until probably Fiverr decide to rank that particular gig again, or I'll just let go of it. And of recent, I actually get a sale on that particular account, although the sale doesn't cover up all the cancellations, but then it actually do its own part out of it. So I'm still waiting for others cancellation to clear on my account, because Fiverr they clear all your cancellation after 60 days. That's like 2 months. So they have cleared like 2 cancellations, so it still remain 1 cancellation on that particular account, and that's around $195. So I'm still waiting for them to just remove it, and I will look into it. If possible, they rank that particular account again without me getting times 3 of this of the order that I cancelled. So I'm still looking forward to see what's gonna happen after the next 2 months, which I cancelled the 3 orders, because the 3 orders come like just fast. 2 orders cancelled by 1 buyer, and next week, following week, so I see another cancellation again. So I just have to just take it as it is, because there's no way I can even try my best to even cover up with the equivalent fund to be able to forward the account back to as normal as it's supposed to be. So I was still thinking, if I direct some of my clients out of Fiverr to purchase my gig, it's not even possible for me. Do I understand? It's not even possible to rank, because the cancellation is already taking effect on the account. So I have to just take it as it is and wait until I see any traction which may actually favor that particular gig. So this is what I noticed recently. This is what I noticed recently, and this is what I think you can actually do if this occur to you or occur to your account. And if it's something you can actually afford, if the cancellation is something you can actually afford, just check around, look around people that are near to you and see if they will be interested in your service. So you can just tell them to just purchase your service on Fiverr, and you'll be able to, you can also give them some discount so that you'll be able to convince them and they'll be able to purchase your service. Or if you have clients, buyers out of Fiverr, you can just tell them to come to the platform and purchase your service, so that you'll be able to rank your gig again. So this is the method you can actually use, and it will definitely work. And also make sure you come online on Fiverr often and often, because this really matters a lot to Fiverr platform. So aside from that, you'll definitely be doing great on Fiverr. So this is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding ranking a derank Fiverr account again, you can just ask me through the comment section below and I will reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as it really means a lot to me. Peace.